Hello, each and every one. Welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will, gonna make a flourless lemon loaf today. So I just want to share my flourless lemon loaf with you guys. So showing you guys what I'm gonna put inside this lemon loaf. Um, First, I got 4 eggs right here. I got 1.5 teaspoon of lemon zest, and I got 2.25 teaspoon of baking powder. I got 1 cup of Greek yogurt right here, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1 cup of cane sugar, and that's what we're working with today. I'm just gonna get the rest of my ingredient, like just a whisk, I should say, not ingredient, my whisk and all that stuff ready, and I'll show you guys how to make this flourless lemon loaf. Okay guys, so I got 2.5 cups of rolled oats right here. I'm gonna get it in my food processor, and I'm gonna get that blend out nicely. So I think it's nice and refined right now, guys. That's what it looks like. Right, that looks beautiful. Now I'm just gonna set this processor aside there, and we're gonna start the mixing right now. So I got 1/2 cup of melted margarine inside this bowl here, and you're gonna dump the cup of cane sugar in there. I'm just gonna whisk that together. Pretty simple, easy recipe, guys. I'm just gonna add these eggs. I'll do one at a time. Really don't need a mixer for this. I mean, you can use it. If you don't want to do all the handwork here, you can do that. Use a mixer. Oh, let's do. Beautiful. So that's maybe the only thing I didn't show you guys was the margarine at first with the ingredient, and the teaspoon of vanilla. So the margarine was only 1/2 cup. So right now I'm just gonna add the sour cream right inside of this. So what I'll do, this is the baking powder, going right down. Just gonna add the lemon zest in there. Just mix that right in. And a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Then I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. So what I like to do, use a fork to mix around the baking powder inside of the oats. Then I'm gonna add the oats to the mixture right now. Beautiful. Nice. And this is done, guys. It's ready to go in the oven. So simple. And I also make lemon poppy seed with this same recipe here. I just had a 1/2 cup of poppy seed to it, and I get a lemon poppy seed loaf out of it. Really simple. So get these things away. And we're gonna get it right into a loaf pan, guys. I'm gonna add it into the loaf pan right now. All right. And we're gonna bake this at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. So if you're on a low carb diet, guys, this is perfect for you. And you want a snack, this is a perfect snack for you to snack on. All right, we're gonna get it in the oven, then we'll get it out, see what it looks like, and I'll cut it, show you guys. So here we go, that's a loaf right there. Came out beautiful. You can see it's nice and baked, no flour. Just gonna pop it out of the oven right now. Get it up here, let it cool down. We're gonna cut it. See what the inside looks like.